Pioneer's DEH-X6700BS has a full Pandora interface built in for your iPhone. But before we get started, let's check a setting on the head unit. So we're going to touch the source button and go to a source. And press in on the volume control. And let's go to the system menu. Here's the system menu and press enter. Now let's look for our app connection settings right here and press enter. If I'm using an iPhone, I want to choose the wired app connection setting. If I'm using an Android phone, I'm going to choose the Bluetooth connection. In this demonstration, I'm going to connect an iPhone to play back Pandora. So I'm going to choose the wired connection. And we can just press the source or the band button to escape. Now I'm going to plug in my iPhone through USB and plug the other end into my iPhone and start the Pandora app. In a moment, the head unit will switch to the Pandora app. And you'll see the head unit and the Pandora app begin to communicate. Now the full interface is on the head unit. Right now we're listening to the Finch's radio, and I can skip to the next song by using the arrow keys here. I can change the information displayed on the screen. If I like this song, I can give it a thumbs up with button number 1, or a thumbs down with button number 2. Play and pause is button number 4. And I can create a new radio station based on the song that I'm listening to or the artist that I'm listening to with Pioneer's Pandora station creation on buttons 5 and 6. Button 5 is for creating a new station based on the track, and button 6 is for creating a new station based on the artist. So if I like this song and I'd like to hear more songs like it, press and hold button number 5 for a couple of seconds to create a new station based on this track. And there you can see we are adding and then added a new radio station to our Pandora station list, and we've switched to that radio station. To navigate my full list of stations, press in on the magnifying glass button. Here I have my full station list, and I can turn through them here with the volume control, or I can press the magnifying glass again to sort them by date or alphabetically. We'll press in on the volume, and let's go back to the Finch's radio. Here we go, and we'll press enter to go back to the Finch's. Let's take a moment and check out the function menu for Pandora. I'll press in on the volume control and we'll turn until we get to the function menu. Here's function, and we can press enter. We start off with the bookmark setting. If I like this song and want to buy it later or be reminded to buy it later, we can bookmark this song. Let's turn over to our next setting. We can create a new station here. We press enter. We can create a new station from the track or from the artist. We can do that with buttons 5 and 6 as well. Let's go back and we'll roll over to Advanced Sound Retriever. Advanced Sound Retriever works with Pandora on level number 1, level number 2, or you could switch it off. Just choose the level that works best for you. At any time, you can exit the function menu by pressing the band button to escape.